Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Vault Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage country inspired home decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage country inspired home decorating is all about warmth, comfort and timeless charm. It blends old world beauty with cozy lived-in country simplicity, creating a home that feels welcoming and full of stories. The feeling it creates, Windows Country Decor feels calm, nostalgic, and soulful. It celebrates imperfections, solo living, and the beauty of everyday life, perfect for creating a peaceful, homely atmosphere. The heart of Windows Country style, Windows Country decorating is not about perfection. It is about comfort, memory, and gentle beauty. Every page looks like it has lived a life, slightly old, softly aged, and full of character. The style feels calm, welcoming, and emotionally comforting. Color story and plot. Colors are soft and time-faded, never bright or harsh. Think buttermilk white, antique cream, and warm tube. Muted shades like she's green, dusty blue, lavender, and pale yellow. Layers of similar tones create a peaceful countryside mood. Walls often look based in matte or chalky finishes. Furniture philosophy. Solid wood furniture with visible grain, chip, and patina. Farmhouse tables, window dressers, hutches, and benches. Furniture doesn't need to match, collected over time is the goal. Slightly imperfect pieces and soul, not flaws. Next, fabrics and textures. Natural fabrics only. Use cotton, linen, muslin, and wool. Use soft florals, faded stripes, ticking, and tiny prints. Layer textures. Use lace over linen, crochet on cotton. Ruffles, pleats, and embroidery. Add gentle charm. Decorative details that matter. Use old books, handwritten letters, and vintage frames. Ceramic pictures, enamel art, brush or iron accents. Use wooden crates, baskets, and hair storage. Strand flowers, cotton stems, lavender bundles. Small details tell our biggest stories in this style. Kitchen and dining fill. Use open shelving instead of closed cabinets. Display platters, teacups, and glass jars. Wooden cutting boards and stoneware. Use linen curtains and simple cafe rods. The kitchen should feel used, loved, and worn, not staged. Light and atmosphere. Soft lighting only, never harsh or cold. Use table lamps, lanterns, and candlelight. Shade curtains to let natural light flow in. Evenings should feel cozy and golden. Nature's role. Nature is essential in Windows Country Decor. Use fresh herbs, wildflowers, or dried grasses. Wooden textures and arty pottery. Use open windows and airy spaces. Emotional experience. Windows Country homes feel calm and grounding, nostalgic and comforting, safe, solo, and meaningful. It is a style that encourages simple living and emotional warmth. Here is even more in-depth information about Windows Country inspired home decorating, focusing on meaning, layers, and real-life styling, not dictated tips. Windows Country as a lifestyle. Windows Country Decor is not only a decorating style, it reflects a solo, thoughtful way of living. Homes feel unhurried, personal, and gently imperfect. Nothing looks rushed or trendy. Each object was chosen with care or inherited with love. The beauty of ace and patina. A key idea in this style is respect for ace. Faded paint, warm oud, and soft scratches are valued. Patina tells a story of time and use. New items often look best when lightly distressed or handmade. Perfection removes character. Egging adds soul. Architectural details. Windows country homes often highlight simple structures, use exposed wooden beams or plank ceilings, baseboard or tongue and grooved walls, simple molding, not ornate, old style doors, handles, and lacquers. These details quietly frame the decor without overpowering it. Storage that looks lifted. Storage is visible and beautiful. Open shelves instead of closed cabinets, baskets for blankets, books, or vegetables, hooks for aprons, hats, or bags, wooden boxes and crocks for everyday use. Function and beauty live together. Wall styling with meaning. Walls are softly styled, never crowded. Windows frames with fitted photos or sketches, botanical prints, and countryside art. Use handwritten codes or simple typography, small mirrors with eased frames. Negative space is important. Let walls breathe. Layering the space. Swedish country homes feel rich because of layers. Rugs offer wooden floors. Table genres offer farmhouse tables. Curtains layered with lace panels. Cushions mixed in patterns but defined by color. Each layer adds comfort and depth. Seasonal flow. This style changes gently with the seasons. Spring use wildflowers, pastel linens. Summer, airy cotton, open windows. Autumn use warm browns, giant florals. For winter, old shelves, candlelight. Seasonal changes are subtle, not dramatic. Handmade and personal touches. Handmade items are deeply important. Use crochet blanket, lace, tarnish, hand-painted sign, or pottery. Family heirlooms or flea market finds. The spaces makes the home emotionally authentic. Hot vintage country is not shiny or modern, not overcrowded or cluttered, not perfectly matched, not trend focused. It is quite calm and emotionally warm. The overall feeling. A vintage country home feels gentle on the eyes, soft on the heart, safe, warm, and welcoming. It invites you to slow down and stay a while. The philosophy behind the style, vintage country decorating is not just about furniture or colors, it is a mindset. It is about savoring simplicity, appreciating solo, meaningful living. Celebrating imperfections, own aged, faded colors add aged, odor beautiful. Honoring history, every item, whether inherited or found, tells a story. Comfort first. Spaces prioritize warmth and usability over modern perfection. In a sense, your home becomes a living scrapbook of memories and tactile pleasures. Architectural and structural elements give physical characteristics of a vintage country home. Use wooden floors with natural stains or light distressing. Use exposed beams and rafters for rustic charm. Paneling, baseboard, or shiplap walls for texture. Fireplaces are wood stoves as central gathering point. Vintage tour hardware is brass knobs, old latch, or iron hings. These details ground the home in an authentic lived-in country feel. Texture and fabrics layering. Layering textures is critical. Use linen and cottons, soft, breathable, and slightly padded. Crochet and lace, handmade patches, on cushions, curtains, or throws, wool and burlap for rugs, blankets, or pillow accents. Mixing patterns, florals, gingham, checks, or straps in subtle colors. Layered textures create warmth, depth, and tactile comfort. Decorative objects and accessories. Decor in this style is collected, not bought in sets. Use ceramic jugs, stoneware bowls, and enamel art. Use windows, clocks, mirrors, and candle holders. Often baskets, wooden crafts, and old jugs. Botanical prints, dried flowers, and herbs. Every piece has a story and contributes to the home's emotional narrative. Kitchen and dining style. Open shelving shows dishes, jars, and teapots. Farmhouse tables with mismatched chairs. Vintage cookware used as decoration and functional items. Textiles, linen napkins, embroidered table genres, and ruffled curtains. The kitchen feels welcoming and practical, like a true heart of the home. Seasonal and nature-inspired changes. Vintage country homes embrace seasonal decor in subtle ways. Spring or summer, fresh flowers, light linens, and airy curtains. For autumn, use earth tones, dyed flowers, and wooden accents. Winter, use warm shows, candles, and soft lighting. Nature is always present through flowers, greenery, or natural materials. Emotional and experiential qualities. Living in a vintage country-inspired home is made to feel like a gentle retreat from modern chaos, a cozy, nostalgic environment, a personal museum of memories and stories, a warm, inviting space for family and guests. It is less about perfection, more about connection, comfort, and heart. The core idea. Vintage country decor blends history, comfort, and simplicity. It is about creating a space that feels alive with memory. Furniture, textiles, and accessories are owned, fitted, or handmade, giving a warmth and character. The style is timeless, not trendy. Furniture and layout principles. Mix and match. Don't worry if furniture pieces don't match perfectly. A mismatched chair or table adds charm. Natural wood focus. Use oak, pine, or reclaimed wood with a soft patina. Multifunctional pieces. Trunks as coffee tables, benches as storage. Crafted imperfections, scratches, stains, or faded paint are beautiful. They tell a story. Layout tips. Keep spaces open but cozy. Don't overcrowd. Use corners for reading nooks with a coffee chair, throw, and small lamps. Layered furniture. Rugs, benches, and small tables create warmth. Textiles and soft touches. Cushions and throws. Use mixed gingham, floral, straps, and faded solids. Crochet and lace. Use table genres, dowels, pillow covers, rugs. Natural fibers, jute, period, or hand-woven. Winter treatments, soft airy curtains, lace, or linen panels. Decorative accents. Vintage country homes shine in small details. Ceramics and stoneware. Use pitchers, bowls, and jars, baskets and crates for storage or display. antique clocks, frames, and mirrors. Use botanical prints, dead flowers, or herbs. All items feel collected over time, but bought all at once. Kitchen and dining. Open shelves showing dishes, teapots, and jars. Wooden farmhouse table with mismatched chairs. Linen or crochet table runners. Vintage cooker displays as decor. The kitchen should feel lived in, functional, and inviting. Lighting and atmosphere. Warm light is key. Table lamps, lanterns, and candles. Natural light should flow freely. Shrink contains work best. Golden glow in evening creates nostalgia and coziness. Lifestyle and experience. Embraces solo living and simplicity. Focuses on comfort and warmth, not perfection. Each object tells a story, creating a personal, soulful home. Encourages family gatherings, cozy corners, and quiet reflection. The essence of vintage country style. Vintage country decorating is about storytelling through your space. Every corner, fabrics, and objects carries memories, nostalgia, and character. It is less about modern trends and more about creating a warm, lived-in century. Core principles: comfort over perfection. Every piece should feel inviting, timeless charm. Checker is classic, not trendy. Natural beauty: use oud stone, linen, and cotton dominant. Emotionally layered, homes tell personal stories through heirlooms and handmade items. Lifestyle and emotional experience encourages solo, intentional living, celebrates imperfections as beauty, focuses on warmth, comfort, and personal connection. Every space tells a story of family, memories, and tradition. Vintage country decor feels calm, nostalgic, and soulful. It celebrates imperfections, solo living, and the beauty of everyday life, perfect for creating a peaceful, homely atmosphere. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.